Welcome to Only Social. In this video, I will show you how to customize icebreakers or FAQs on Instagram, a powerful feature that can transform how you engage with your audience. By setting up predefined questions, you can streamline conversations, provide better responses, and make your visitors feel more comfortable interacting with your page. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Bot Manager under the Instagram Tools section. Next, select the Instagram account for which you want to create icebreakers. Navigate to the Get Started settings, where you will find the Icebreakers option. To customize icebreakers, you need to enable it first. Let's proceed to add some questions. These should be common inquiries that users have about your product or services. After entering your question, select the reply message template. If you have a pre-configured template, feel free to use it. Otherwise, you can click on Add Message Template to create a new one. When creating your message template, give it a unique name related to the question for easy identification. Don't forget to label the template as well. This labeling is crucial as it helps in segmenting your subscribers based on their question clicks. Next, select the appropriate type of response you wish to provide. Choose the option that best aligns with your intended reply and input the response you would like to convey to the user based on their inquiry. You can also chain multiple replies to one template by clicking Add More Reply. This allows you to create a more dynamic and engaging response for your users. Once you're done with the message template, click on Submit to save the template and click on Close and refresh the list. Remember, you can add as many questions and responses as you want. Just repeat the process by clicking Add More Questions and configuring each template accordingly. Once all questions and templates are added, save your settings. Test the icebreakers by visiting your Instagram profile with a different Instagram account and click on the Message button. Then, click on one of the questions. Great, it is functioning as expected. The moment you have a conversation with the chatbot, these icebreakers will never appear again unless you delete the conversation and go back to your Instagram account later and have a chat with bot again. That's the reason we make it easy to change a series of different types of reply message to one message template in order for the bot to respond to customer query from the beginning to the end from a single conversation. You have now successfully customized icebreakers on your Instagram page. This feature not only helps you connect better with your audience, but also enhances your marketing strategies. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.